guys, thanks again for joining me, Mike here. Hey, you can see I'm packing up my truck right here. We've got a rental unit that's opening up, and I'm just giving you a heads up, this one's not going to be pretty at all. So I just showed up at the condo, and like I said, it's not a pretty sight. The place is just a filthy mess. There's a hole in that door right there. I don't know if you can see this wall or not, but it's just a mess. Lots of stickers on the cabinet, big bold letters in our lease agreement. No stickers on cabinets or walls. It just leaves that residue. Now, actually, we were going to be tearing the kitchen out of this place anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Actually, this half bath here isn't too bad. Just a little bit of cleanup. I think we're going to put a new countertop on here. Check these steps. This was a brand new carpet when they moved in. Definitely have to have a little bit of writing on the wall. Looks like crayon. And we'll clean it up, repaint. It kind of stinks in here too. This is one of the bedrooms. Nice red ink on there. Yeah, this carpet is really bad in this bedroom. Look at that. Anyway, it looks like we got a bunch of work ahead of us, so time to get rolling with it. Okay guys, so we just finished packing up, ready to head home. Condo's done. It looks awesome. It took us about 3 weeks from start to finish, and Brennan and I did everything except the carpet. This door behind me here is where you enter from the parking lot. That door was original and it needed to be replaced. There is a little overhang on this one, so there wasn't any rotting of the floor here. And then this door right here is also an exterior door. It was original. The way it faces, it gets a lot of weather, rain, wind, and it started rotting out the floor, so I had a pretty big project getting that fixed. This is the living room area. She did probably about 95% of the painting while I was doing some other things. 2 good coats of paint and it looks brand new again. Now I'm in one of the bedrooms upstairs, and again, these walls were just terrible. Remember this wall behind me? It had all that crayon on it. We were able to get that off. We used some primer on those areas, a couple coats of paint, and you never knew it was there. Bifold doors, they were kind of hanging there, so I did have to do some repairs on those. Behind me here is the full bathroom upstairs. What we ended up doing was replacing the flooring. We ended up replacing the toilet. Needed just a ton of cleaning because it was pretty disgusting. Now let's talk about the carpet upstairs and on the steps. We hired that out, and we actually had the guy do the removal of the carpet too. And he was pretty disgusted with the condition of the carpet and the smell. We couldn't be happier with the result of the carpet. Right off the kitchen through this door here is a half bath. It wasn't too bad. I was surprised, but I did end up replacing the toilet. The countertop, Brenda did backsplash tile and hung a new mirror, new light fixture, and we're good to go. Now the big demolition. Yeah, behind me you can see we got a new kitchen in here. The kitchen that was here was original. It was those build-in-place type cabinets, plywood cabinets I guess they are. Everything was kind of nailed to the wall, not screwed, so I just had to get my hammer out and start going to town. It went pretty good, probably less than 2 hours. I had this kitchen completely pulled out of here. Now with this new kitchen, we went with the Lowe's cabinets, kind of a middle of the road cabinet, and they went together good. No problems. Brenda and I installed them ourselves. I ended up putting new countertop on, new sink, new faucet. We're really happy with how the backsplash turned out here. It went together great. A couple good coats of paint on here, and it looks perfect. Okay, so this flooring was a huge transformation. We actually had laminate floor on here before, and if the renters get it wet and don't clean it up, the seams buckle, and that's a problem. So we have been going with this vinyl plank, and we absolutely love it. We actually put this exact same brand and same color in our house that we just built, finished building about a month ago. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up the video right now. The renovation went good. It only took us, like I said, about 3 weeks, and we never really had any big issues. So hey, we appreciate you tuning in, and we will catch you next time.